Here's a short video on parallel lines. If a line is parallel to another one, this one is parallel to this one, and if we have another line that cuts the other two like this, then we can say all sorts of things about the angles. For example, this angle here, let's call it A, is the same as this angle here. Let's call that A. But it's also the same as this angle here. So that's A. So we have three facts about parallel lines. Let's just separate them by putting them on different diagrams. Let's have another line. Whoops, I don't want it in red. Let's get rid of that. Let's put it in black. Another line here. And another line here. And let's rub out what we've already got. Rub that one out. And then let's put A, no, I want it in red, here. Then those angles are the same. And we call this vertically opposite angles. These are the same, and we call them corresponding angles. And then lastly, these are the same, this one and this one, and we call those alternate angles. And you do sometimes see them called something else. So let me just illustrate it. Sometimes, we'll leave this in red this time. Sometimes you'll see these angles marked as the same as corresponding angles, and then they're sometimes called F angles because they make a shape of an F. Sometimes you'll see these angles like this called Z angles because they make a letter Z. And I suppose, although I don't think I've ever actually seen it, that you could call these, oops, that's not very good, is it? Don't want that. You could call these X angles because they make a shape of an X.